Less than a week after the UP's decision on Telangana, with chorus for new states is regaining grounds in Assam.
Nơi boroper na har nang sir Diu don som don gerut nam ta Mizing don na gri yan dik sir ha Gau ni hari ko Prizu lang ne Yeah
Hung nisan garlai badi Hari ni hari mukau lukhang na garlai badi hari ni hari mukau lukhang na nei boroper
Nơi boroper Nước sữa girls nan thaya bla Sanse nongla sanse nước sữa group Gubun hari zung kakluk zage
nei boroper zanzi kaptade hari ni hari mukau lukhang na nei boroper zanji kaptade hari ni hari mukau lukhang na nei boroper
were killed in cold blood, while the cops and the Indian Army have denied this allegation and said those killed were militant.
Nonga mengen dukharu bolo Nathai dine sangluwa boy ni begesau Halai hapai gederundui Megan omode dukuni sangkodan hayai
Kam zota serza sipung ni denke Danai lunai agora kai boroni nerse Kam zota serza sipung ni denke Danai lunai agora kai boroni nerse Nei boroper
People in Kokrajhar district of Assam demand more security after at least 50 people were killed and many injured in the suspected Bodo militant attack last week.
Nei borderland ni man sifer Goes and gone man ena eni Nans like comes like butas like nai Man and next a dab busi druna
Go city zai lugar dine Go city zai